Apple, a brand known for innovation and premium quality devices, is on its way to refresh many of its gadget lineup now. Leaks and rumors are spreading quickly about new iPhone models, iPad 11th Gen, Apple Watch Ultra, a new Vision Pro, and many others. In this video, we will discuss every anticipated Apple device that might be released in 2025 with its rumored specs and features. Let's get started. Among the many expected Apple gadgets, the iPhone 17 series is probably the most hyped one. It is rumored that there will be 4 variants: iPhone 17 Standard, Pro, Pro Max, and a brand new ultra-thin Air or Slim variant instead of the usual Plus model. The base, Pro, and Pro Max models are expected to utilize a 6.1 to 6.9 inches 120Hz ProMotion display, whereas the Air model is going to have a 6.6-inch display. All variants are speculated to be powered by the upcoming A19 or A19 Pro chip, built on TSMC's N3P3 nanometer process. The base and slim variants will provide 8GB of RAM, and the rest of the two models will have 12GB of RAM. In terms of camera setup, all 4 models are rumored to have a 24-megapixel front camera, with the Pro Max version having a 48-megapixel triple rear camera setup. This new series is anticipated to be announced in September 2025, following the iPhone 16's announcement schedule. Apple is set to announce a new iPad model. This 11th Gen iPad is expected to have slightly thicker bezels than the previous generations. It is said to have a 10.9-inch LCD screen with a 2360 x 1640 pixel resolution and a 60Hz refresh rate. According to some rumors, the iPad will use the A17 or even the latest A18 chip, a huge boost over the A14 chip of the predecessor model. In terms of connectivity, the device may support Wi-Fi 6E and Apple's custom 5G modem. There are rumors about 2 storage options: 64GB and 256GB, with a potential of a new 128GB variant. RAM will see an upgrade to 8GB from the current model's 4GB. The tablet will continue the usage of USB-C and Apple Pencil. Due to hardware limitations, it may not be able to fully utilize the Apple Intelligence feature. We might see the release of 3rd-generation AirPods Pro soon as the Pro 2 was announced more than 2 years ago. The AirPods Pro 3 is likely to have the same white, rounded square design as its predecessor. It will include a USB-C charging port with a new addition of wireless charging support. The earbuds are speculated to use the latest H3 chip, and the MagSafe charging case will use the U2 chip. It will provide enhanced durability with IPX4 sweat and water resistance. The earbuds are rumored to introduce a personalized AI-driven volume feature and conversational awareness feature. It will also include hearing aid functionality and body temperature sensors. Rumors mention that it can provide up to 30 hours of listening time with the case. With the price tag remaining the same as the previous model, this upcoming AirPods Pro 3 is surely worth the wait. The Watch Ultra 3 was almost expected to be announced this year along with the iPhone 16 series. Now, we can be sure that it will be released in 2025. The watch will likely retain most of its design features, such as 49mm size, titanium casing, and sapphire glass from the previous Watch Ultra 2. It is rumored to use the 1.92-inch OLED display with 3000 nits peak brightness. The latest S10 chip will be the powerhouse of this watch, delivering improved performance over its predecessor. Features like the Vitals tracking app, training load exertion ranking, and dynamic watch faces are expected to come with the watchOS 11. It may use the same 564 mAh battery that was used in the Watch Ultra 2, providing 3 days of battery backup. Following the release of the M3 MacBook Air this year, we can hope for an upgraded edition with the M4 chip around the same time next year. It is said to come in 13-inch and 15-inch size options. The device will employ 10-core CPU, 10-core GPU, and a neural engine which will be able to reach 38 TOPS of AI performance. It might come with 16 GB of base RAM and a 12-megapixel center stage camera. The M4 chip will ensure faster and optimized performance than the previous models. Due to its fanless design, thermal throttling may impact the device's peak performance. Battery life will also go through great improvements with an excellent 16 hours of backup. If you need the latest technology with better Apple Intelligence features, you should consider waiting for this upcoming MacBook Air model. Even though the Vision Pro just released this year, rumors are already circulating about its successor. It is rumored that Apple will launch 2 variants of this gadget, the low-end model using an M2 or M4 chip, expected to be released in 2025, and a high-end model with a powerful M5 chip slated for 2026 or later. The lower-end model is speculated to eliminate the front-facing display. It will have a new strap design and fewer lenses to reduce the cost. It may have a narrower field of view and reduced resolution. This model is expected to be priced at around $1,500. On the other hand, the more expensive version will utilize micro-LED screens, improved interior lens technology, and optimized battery consumption. The original AirTag was released 3 years ago. Now, we are hearing whispers about a new addition to it. It will retain the overall shape of the original AirTag with some potential battery compartment modification. In terms of hardware improvements, it may use an upgraded ultra-wideband chip which will provide more accurate location tracking. The original model faced significant privacy concerns many times. The AirTag 2 is rumored to address these issues by implementing a better tracking mechanism system and making the speaker more difficult to remove. The device will continue to use the CR2032 battery. Although specific details are still not clear, it may integrate with the Vision Pro as part of a spatial computing ecosystem. Rumored to be announced within mid-2025 and priced the same as the original, you may want to wait for this device. So, that was all about Apple's roadmap for the year 2025. Which device are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this.